Okay, so the question is following the string. It's a 1000 rating question of Codeforces. So Polycarp lost the string s of length n consisting of and lower cases letters. Okay, but he still has its traces. The traces of the string is an array A of n integers, where A is the number of indices, where j is less than I, where I index is equal to sj. For example, the traces of the string a b to all b array is the array 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 1 1 4. Okay, so yeah, given a traces of string, find any it's this array, this digits array are what traces of this word. Okay, so what is saying, given us traces of the string, find any string s from which it could have been obtained. The string s should consist of only lowercase Latin letters a to z. Okay, so yeah, I mean, we have given n number of what I can say integers like this, and these are the values inside the array. Through this, these are the traces through it. We want what we want, a string that correspond to the given traces. If there are multiple such string s, then output any of them. Like this traces could be multiple many, I mean, this traces could be output of multiple traces. Okay, multiple words, so we could output any one of them. Okay, a string s consists of lower Latin case letter. We have to output in lower Latin case letter. Okay, it is guaranteed that for each test case a valid answer, I mean, for each traces there are words. Okay, so we have to output that. So what we are doing over here, let me show you the solution. Yeah, so what we are doing, we inside the solve function, we'll first enter the number of digits, then we initialize the array, and then after we'll enter all the digits inside the array. After that we initialize another array count, cnd, then we'll initialize a 2d vector. Okay, 2d vector of characters car with count n plus 1. Okay, so after that what we are going to do, we run a for loop. I mean, as you can see, inside the for loop, char with count 0 push back a plus I. Okay, a at index a at 0, a at till 26 till 25, I mean. Okay, so if what is saying, at count 0 push that integer will store all the character with count. Okay, then what we are doing over a string res, in the string res, what we are doing, we run a for loop in till x length x size, I mean till a size. What we are doing, char c is equal to character with count x dot back. Okay, under square bracket x dot back character with count dot pop back. Okay, in this what we will remove that element, and in res dot push back, what we are doing, we are entering that element. Okay, so after that what we are doing, count c minus a will be incremented, character with count under square bracket count c minus c hyphen a. Okay, it's a character. The what we are doing over here, will push c. Okay, inside what, character with count. Okay, after that the array which the string which we'll get from this operation will output the string, and we'll get our answer. Let me run the code for you guys. Let's execute it first, I mean compile the code first, then yeah, so it's the correct answer. You can enter it, I mean you can enter whole the code, it will give you the same exact answer. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.